the unboxing of the stationery subscription box that I recently took from PaperQuirks. It's a 3-month stationery subscription box that I took. So this is the second month's box, and the theme for this box was Oceana and the ocean. It's a really nice, interesting theme though. It's really nice, and well, PaperQuirks is a really nice company that I found. So here we have a sticker, laptop sticker. Then there's a guidebook as to Oceana edition, what they have included in their box, Oceana edition. So it's a table of contents as to what they have sent and how much it actually cost. The main thing to notice over here that the pouch, the design was made by Shubhotam and his Aqua collection. Well, I really like what they have sent me. I'm really fond of stationery, and this is the pouch that they have sent. As you can see, it's really nice. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna keep some of my pens in this. I'm related to ocean stuff only. I made this illustration 2-3 years ago, I guess. And usually I do illustrations on A5 sheets, A5 watercolor sheets, because actually it's easy to handle these sheets. Like, not instead of using A4, I prefer these A5 sheets. It's easy to store them as well, as you can see. So it's going to be a protected case for all my illustrations the coming years. The second thing in this box is these craft papers. The cover itself is really nice. It's a shell. So the first craft paper I'll show you guys. It's Octopus, the fishes, Seafish, Jellyfish. Oh, it's nice. Whale, mermaid. This reminds me of SpongeBob. Not really, but yeah. So because it's Oceana, someone needs to swim. So there you go, people swimming. Oh, it's beautiful. They're so beautiful, as you can see. They're really pretty. I think it's the same design, right? No, they're different. So in this, I think I have shells, just shells and corals. In this, I have crabs and seafish. So next, it's jellyfish, some fishes, random fishes. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10 craft paper. They're nice. That's good. So the next item in the box is the fridge magnets. So I think, yeah, first one is this. It's dated. You can use it for any month, and you can write Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and month as well. And like, you can just stick it on fridge or on your Almira. I'll just show you in a couple of minutes. This is my not so fishy list. Yeah, that's cool. So next item is Luxor Duo Right 2-in-1 whiteboard marker. So it's bullet tip 2-in-1. So I have black and red. I'm gonna write things on this. Happy with the initiative of PaperQuirks, as I was really finding difficulty to find a stationery box that delivers in India. when I came across PaperQuirks, I was really excited to order something from them. So I directly went for a 3-month box, and the boxes are worth the wait, guys. so the way you can remove these markers, the wet cloth or duster, simple duster as well. So I think they'll work good. If you guys can see, I can put it on my almiras, and you can put these on your fridge cabinets. So the next thing in the box is a journal, marine journal, and the design of this journal is really pretty. Although I've opened it and I've made something, I'll show you guys. It's not complete though. So I think the illustration in this journal are by Swarnavo Datta and Yamini. Thank you so much, PaperQuirks, for introducing me to such amazing illustration artists and sending me these really cute and really nice products, stationery. I'm a big stationery geek. The journal is really beautiful, guys. So let me get it for you guys. Actually, I drew a mermaid. It's not complete. I have to detail this mermaid. It's dry now, so I'll detail it sometime. I'll post the picture recently. I'll post the picture soon. So this is the marine journal. The best thing about PaperQuirks is that they send journal every time they send a box. That is something that I'm assuming right now, although it's the second month of my subscription right now. But I'm really excited for more to come. I'm really happy with what they have sent by far now. So the third item, I think it's fifth or sixth, I think. So yeah, the sixth item, I guess, yeah. It's the Fluid Acrylic Aqua Kit by Camlin. I was dying to buy this aqua kit, the fluid art kit. I've told my mom, I've told my sister, I've told my friends to buy me this kit. And when I see this, it's like a dream come true. It's like all my wishes are coming true with this. So actually, the thing is, this Camlin released these acrylic kits in the lockdown period, make yourself more creative and to be more helpful, not to have an art block basically. So they released it in three shades, three themes, which was sunset, aqua and monochrome. So sunset you have all the warm colors, aqua you have all the cold colors, and monochrome you have black, white, grey and gold. Yeah. So I'll be posting a video performing the aqua acrylic art, fluid art. So let's hope it turns out good. The best thing about fluid art is that the designs are different all the time when you do it, and it's really amazing to do it. It really relieves you out of all the stress. The last item they sent was these shells. So these shells we can use it in DIY crafts, or just I'll be using it in this only. I think I'm gonna make a seabed, something like that, using these shells. I don't think so. I won't be using this one. It's really nice. I think I'll use this one. This goes with the size of this canvas. Make a fluid art really soon. So thanks for joining me, guys, right now. It was really nice of doing a video after a really long time. It's been long. I've been caught up with some other work lately. And thank you, PaperQuirks, for sending me such surprises. I'm really happy to use them. Waiting for the next month subscription and the next month box. उसका theme अभी तक release हुआ नहीं है, but we'll figure it out. We'll see. They'll post it soon. on their Instagram handle or on their website, and the entries and the orders for next month will also be taken really soon. So if you guys are interested in buying PaperQuirks Stationary, if you're really a stationery geek, just go ahead. Don't worry about what if it's gonna be a fail or anything. No, it won't be a fail. It'll be the best investment that you could ever do in your art. Like, I can guarantee you that. Like, you will just feel as if the money that I've spent is worth it, and really happy to spend money on this. And coming months I'll definitely go for more subscriptions with PaperQuirks. So about PaperQuirks, how PaperQuirks works. So it works if you take they have subscription for 1 month, 3 months and 6 months. So according to your feasibility, you can, if you want to try, if you're not sure if it's good for you or not, so I would suggest you to go for a 1 month subscription for this box with PaperQuirks, and just try. If you like it, if you like the merchandises, if you like what they have sent you, you can go ahead with 3 months or 6 months according to your wishes. So that's up to you, and I would really suggest you to just go for it. I wasn't sure as in the start, but I'm really happy that I did it. I'm gonna do it more. I'm gonna be honest. So this is it. I'm gonna link down the PaperQuirks link and everything down below, and see you guys next week probably, or next month. Depends on what I have as a content to post right now. I'm getting really I don't know. Sure. See you guys. I hope you will try PaperQuirks. It's a really nice website. It's a really nice stationery haul in India. I love it. I would suggest you to just try it for once, and just go for it. Chalo, bye. See you guys next time. Bye.